Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with part 4 of building Revell's 69 Charger, the main interior assembly. And for this, we're going to need parts off a couple trees. We're going to need this one with the rear seat and the door panels. And we're going to need this one with the headrests, the seat backs, and the main seats. And we're also going to need one part on the chrome tree, and that's the shift lever right here. So I'm going to get these all cut off and cleaned up a little bit, and we'll be right back. Alright, so here are the parts you need, and for the most part sub-assemblies are okay, except for the front seats here. Because the way that they cast it, you got a gap because of how thick these parts are. They run into each other. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take the seat back and shave down those two little tabs right there. Just take a little off the inside of each. And then for the seat itself, I'm going to take a little bit off each corner. So that way, when you put them together, everything sits nice and tight. Now it's time to get these glued together and into some paint. And here is everything painted. And this is one of the parts of this build that I have seen people totally rage quit this kit. The back seat fits in nice, got a little pocket there. The front seats, they've got just a nice flat area. The shift lever has a pocket, so no problems with any of those. But then you come to the door panels, and you do a little prep work. You want to shave off the very edge of the floor there, and you want to shave off the bottom of the lip right there. And then you want to bring in a helper, because this is where things get a little tricky, but they don't have to be. So what you want to do is you want to take the door panel, you want to take a piece of tape, just burnish it down right there, have it hanging off the bottom just like that. Take a second one and do the same thing right back here. All right, burnish this one down as well. What type of tape you use doesn't matter. I'm using masking tape. You can use masking tape, duct tape, metal repair, whatever. And then you want to take a third long strip piece here, and you want to stick that to the back. Burnish that down as well. So now that you've got this, what you want to do is you want to line it up with the interior, and you want to get those two surfaces where you scrape the paint off to line up and have a little bit of an overlap, just like that. And you want that front corner nice and tight. You want it flat across the bottom, and then just fold the tape over. And there you go. You've got your little helping hands that are going to hold it together for you. And you want this one go around the back so that nothing falls over while you're getting stuff glued together. So there you go. And then what I usually do is take a little bit of glue. I'm using super glue here, but you can use PVA, you can use liquid cement, whatever works for you. And you want to get just a little drop anywhere where you don't have the tape. So, there we go, little drop there, little drop back here, 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 and one up here just to kind of better secure it. And that's it. Your interior is assembled. You just leave the tape on it. It's going to be hidden by the body, and no need to do anything further on it. You can drop your dashboard right into the slots created by the door panels. I'll put a little dot of glue on each end of the dashboard to secure it, but with that, we're now done with step 4. So I will be back next week with step 5. So hope you check back then, and thanks for watching.